shares insights on patent services and intellectual property. We are privileged to have a round of applause.
Thanks for the opportunity, Dr. Madan Garu, team of Eeva Patent Services. Myself, Srinivas Mathipati. I'm a mechanical engineer first, and then a patent attorney. So we are actively providing IPR services, IP facilitation scheme facilitators. So how to acquire rights? Recently, in the 2024 MMI, so they actually allowed a 1-year method of use, which actually the current act is activity which I given this because India is the cheapest country to file an application, patent application to get a grant by agents in terms of government fee by patent office. See, to file a patent and to cannot be patented, our ideas cannot be copyrighted. So the same idea can be the draft or the claims that we write. We can write on a search case, each device. So it cannot be retro.
2021 April. The innovation, the innovative idea, and that we call it as the substrate or the monolith, the entire system. That means sir is given about the converter. So I got the patent because it is innovation. It is innovation.
There are citations actually. So by the time you will share anyway, it's a public document which is a granted patent. Non-patent literature, which are the papers actually, D2, D3, D. Is our advantage, not the patent office advantage grant. So services, or maybe if you like the session, you can give us a 4 or 5 rating and review personally. Thank you. We are
So is there any standard procedure that we need to follow while you give me some suggestion, give us some suggestion?
They had any patents also, but they had all kind of to change the scenario or the face of the domain. So they changed the face of the domain. They are the root cause sensor. It's not a sensor. But the whole screen of the mobile first parameter you need to capture. And then without knowing or without showing to us, it should open the camera app. Because like we won't use this application for public use, or we won't use it for voting or maybe authorizing other, make your art on your home, do some art. That means like it will stay in silent mode, it won't disturb you, and it will only operate on that mode.
Wonderful insights. My question is regarding the documentation part. So is there any standard procedure that we need to follow while we are documenting the project? If not, can you give me some suggestions how to document the project?
So it's pure storytelling. Even the Form 2 designer, whoever actually did that way. And the second one is actually after background of the invention. The immediate one is like brief summary. And within the brief summary, we should not again discuss the invention at all. So we have to list out the objectives of the invention. So the continuation of the need, the objectives of the invention. And then in this section, along with the objectives, in one para, we'll describe the invention as a whole. In line with the objectives as a whole, we'll describe the invention in one para.
Kinds. I'm not saying all of them are same. Even that's what I'm saying, the incremental difference. But you need to identify that, and definitely you will find. And you have got a big resource. That is what I'm saying. You need not necessarily to develop anything. Already your students have developed that. But only thing is you need to have in-depth look into that. Definitely you can do. And one of the major examples is the Tejas. We have could able to
some applications. He is single inventor.
The same process, but the material is a new one. So that's why, as at the first, sir has given about the process and materials and all those things. So build converter. So I got the patent because it is innovation, it is innovative, and no one has used it so far. Thank you.
Divide or show either the method as a dependent claim on main claim. Second part. Now the towards the end of the main day. Usefulness, there is a
You might have prepared 4 hours, you might have prepared. After at least 1 month or 2 months of experience, you can maybe after 2 hours, after 2 years, what yourself while going traveling. Then now in the same way here, the things is different kinds. I'm not saying all of them are same. Even that's
Associate Dean School of Engineering, Dr. K. Srinivasa Chadapati sir. And Associate Director of Innovations for today's workshop, Dr. Madan Mohan sir.
I'm Dr. Ravindra Reddy. I'm from Department of Computer Science Engineering. Today we had a workshop on patenting and copyrights. It was really interesting and I have learned a lot about how different types of patents are there and how we can find them. I would like to thank the organizers for such events. I'm looking forward for many more such events. Thank you.